This may be my biggest DIY fail to date in 7 years of DIY. Good morning, guys, and happy Tuesday. I am officially vlogging today. Just got out of therapy and I'm headed to Target because, as you can tell by the title of the video, we're doing something super weird today. I don't even know if you're ready. Okay, oh my gosh, guys, I'm using my wide lens today and she's large and in charge. Oh my gosh. Also, I figured that we could chat while I'm on my way to Target because I have this new thing in my life, a new love. Oh my god, oh god, oh god, I gotta back up, oh god. So I have this new love in my life. She's TikTok, her name's TikTok. I have a new obsession with TikTok and it's like not even funny. I literally cannot get across this intersection. There we go, traffic, work with me. I'm not gonna lie, when TikTok first came out, I was like, oh my god, another social media, I can't do it, but you gotta do it. I'm doing it. I'm straight doing it. Go follow me. I'm just at laurDIY on TikTok, and I honestly, as soon as I downloaded it, I probably watched 5 hours of TikTok before I made my first one because I was like, okay, professionals, teach me how to do it, show me the way. I'm addicted. I think I've made like 7 or 8 at this point, and it's a good time. It's just like, I think what I love about it is just that it's like so low pressure and just fun. You can be creative, and I'm so inspired by you guys. Like, y'all are crazy on TikTok. You guys do some of the most creative things I've ever seen, so I'm addicted. So go download TikTok, follow me, make your own videos, and a cool thing that I get to tell you guys or like offer to you guys, and like I'm not even sure if like when I say this it's gonna register like the severity of how cool this is. Do you want to be on a Times Square billboard with me? Like, I don't even know. Like I can't believe that sentence is even coming out of my mouth. Basically, we're running this contest on TikTok called Normal is Boring, because let's be real, normal is boring. Essentially, there's 3 teams, and if you've opened up the app in like the last week or so, you've probably seen that it's myself, Smosh, and Guava Roy from Guava Juice. There's 3 teams, and all you have to do to enter is make a creative video on TikTok using the hashtag normal is boring and the hashtag contest. Tag me to be on my team, and also so that I can just like lurk y'all TikTok, so I can lurk your TikTok. You can make as many videos as you want, and each one is an, oh no, we're in a bridge, we're under a bridge, we're under a bridge, please hold, please hold, please hold. We're back. Yeah, so I know my pretty little Laur squad out there are maybe some of the most creative people I know. So if Team laurDIY wants to step up and make some cool stuff on TikTok, I'm so excited. We might be able to be on a billboard. That's pretty crazy. And so it's your TikTok that gets to be featured. So like, what you want to be famous for though? Like, if that happens, I might have to fly to New York to get some vlog footage of us on the billboard because that's actually psycho. But yeah, so it is teams, and so make sure you on my team. I'll also leave like a little list of how to enter in the description box, you know, because, you know, oh, the hell gave me. There'll be more info in the description box, but I'm super excited. Go find me on TikTok because that's where I am 90% of the day now. It's kind of problematic in the best way, but okay, so we're about to pull up to Target. It's time to get weird, guys. We're about to get weird today. I don't know if you're ready for this. Oh my god, we're under a bridge, we're under a bridge, we're under a bridge, and we're back. Okay, update. I haven't gotten a single thing I need, but 4th of July coming up. Cute top, some bowls, a new duvet. Don't really need. The Target problems are so real today. Buying all the things that I don't need. But here's the plan. Okay, so I've got little bottles for the resin. I had to do a lot of research to find out what the heck was in that little squeezer bottle that he was using and putting on the noodles. And then I've got 2 porcelain plates to, I guess, smash when I get home. And now all we need is ramen. Oh my god, okay, so they only have a freaking 6-pack, so I guess we're getting 6. Comes for freaking noodles, spends $170. Ridiculous! Oh no, my coffee, my coffee, my coffee, my coffee, my coffee, my coffee. You come with me. I've DIY'd some weird stuff. This may be the weirdest thing I've ever DIY'd, if it even ends up turning out. I'm probably gonna post this video either way because it's probably gonna be entertaining on your behalf. Let's just get into it. I'm so nervous. Like, I so want this to turn out, but I'm also nervous that he had a lot of like dry time in between takes when the guy did it for his Instagram. Also, if like this is totally new to you, pause this video, but like don't forget to come back and look up the guy that fixed an entire porcelain sink with ramen noodles. There's also a version where they fill in a dent in a car. There's a version where they fill in like a wood table, I think it is. It's a thing. We're gonna attempt it today with a porcelain plate. Step 1 is gonna be to smash this plate. I'm also nervous that I'm not gonna be able to just smash like a little corner. So we've got 2 plates, 2 tries. I'm a little nervous. Do we just do it? Do we just go for it? Okay.
God, I'm stressed. Okay, ready? I'm nervous I have 2 tries. Okay, here we go. Oh, that didn't do anything. Okay, maybe should I have a glove on or something? Oh, that's exactly what I didn't want to happen. So worst case scenario here is that I'll glue these 3 pieces together and then we can fix up that little like crack right there. That's more than a crack. Okay, round 1. Glad that I bought 2. Probably should have bought like 5. This is so nerve-wracking. Ah. I suck! We've got 2 options. I think maybe this is the easier glue job, is just this one, and then we'll fill in that corner piece. That didn't go quite as I planned. We'll make it work. Okay, BRB, I'm gonna glue this back together and we'll be right back for some ramen fixing. I don't think I'm gonna need more than 1 package. Also, these literally have like all of your daily sodium intake, but like, not gonna stop eating them. Ooh, chicken flavor! Oh, okay. I love these. This is like guilty pleasure. I ate so many of these in college. Honestly, even when I did have money, I still ate them in college. Let me know also if you guys ever like went through a phase where you ate them raw. Maybe that was just like a Canadian middle school type of thing, but like that was like what the cool kids were doing. I like thought this might be like cool ASMR, but it's just kind of hurting my hands. There's also noodles flying everywhere right now. Like there's probably an easier way to do this. Honestly guys, like if this works, my mind is gonna be like, so that plate would not glue back together. Just went to the dollar store and bought 6 more plates. And this is the first one, so we have a good option, but I'm gonna do the other ones and just see what else I can get. I'd prefer to do something a little bit smaller, so we got 5 more. Nope, I feel like this is low. Ah, bleeding and safety. No! That's the freaking one I've been looking for. Yes! Okay, well, I don't need to waste 2 more plates, so let's do it! Okay, so I don't really know what I'm doing, nor do I really understand the science behind this, but I'm always up for a little DIY challenge, and also like a little ramen involved. Don't really entirely know where to start, but I'm thinking that it makes sense to like make a little guide for where I should be ramening, just with like some foam paper. The only problem is, how do we ensure the foam paper doesn't stay there? Like he just kind of started building and then it kind of just like turned into a thing. So anyways, I've got some packaging tape and I'm gonna just tape this into place, maybe just while we get started and put some resin on there. I don't really know. This is just a very large YOLO. We barely even made it past like the plate portion of this DIY. Okay, all right, that's like a nice little crevasse. Also, my resin has been sitting for longer than it's supposed to be sitting. So like, let's be honest, I'm just making excuses for when this goes wrong and I've got nothing to show for this video. Ah, I broke my glove. Everything's just going so wrong. I also dumped ramen all over the carpet underneath me. Just having a rough day today. Okay. Okay, so like he literally just starts like sticking ramen and resin. So let's give this a little shake, I guess. Also, I've never worked with resin. I know it like is supposed to take a little bit of time to cure. See, this is the part that doesn't really make sense. How do we get... Okay, you know what? We're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna do a small layer of nudes. Add a little bit of resin. Ooh, she warm in here. That's supposed to happen? Oh wow, this is not what I thought was gonna happen. Oh my god, did this mold to inside here already? Did this harden? What's going on in here? I should stick to room decor. Ooh, this real sticky. I almost feel like I should make another batch. This is like halfway on its way to being like a piece of cured travel shampoo bottle. See, like, what's the plan here? How do these stick together? I don't understand. I guess he kind of just like stuck a chunk in. I just don't foresee this going well. Well, I mean, at least we had a Target run that was successful. I watched some other guy do it on a toilet that he had ordered, and he was the one who like really walked me through the resin here, and I feel like I should be giving him a call. His didn't quite turn out either, so maybe I should have messaged him for some pointers. This whole DIY is just very questionable, and I don't really understand. Let's reevaluate this. What if I just like make a resin snowball of noodles and then then pack it in. That kind of makes more sense, I feel like, right? Like we just cover this in resin and then mold it in. Also, at this point, this plate is just gonna be absolutely covered in resin and noodles. And like, ain't nobody gonna wanna eat off that. There's a lot of resin happening here. See, they're not even sticking to themselves. I don't understand. Maybe too much resin? You know, the guy also had his hair dryer going, so maybe we'll add a little bit of that and see if it gets a little tackier. I'm literally just blowing noodles all over this room. Guys, nothing's happening. I don't understand. Okay, do we want to reevaluate this? Wow, those noodles are just like hot. I feel like I'm about to make ramen. Just like some very toxic glue ramen. New approach, new approach. Okay, what about this? Maybe I jumped the gun on like, you know, scooching them up. This is just a mess. Let's take this all off. Oh, this is going so poorly. This may be my biggest DIY fail to date in 7 years of DIY. Let's reevaluate, restart here. See, like this just isn't very sticky. Like it is sticky, but it's not at the same time, you know? So it's like, I don't really understand. We just going in, we going in. Just doesn't really make sense to me. I don't understand. Okay, well that already looks better. Maybe we just stop there and call it a day.
Guys, look at this disaster. There's so much ramen on the floor. Oh my God, I give up. You know what? Sometimes you just gotta know when to quit, and this is it. There is so, like, can you see the layer of resin on this plate? And this is just like a mushy pile of resin covered noodles. There's some dry noodles. There's some more noodles. There's some more noodles. I never wanna see a freaking noodle ever again.
Okay, and like guys, I just want to be so clear that I wanted this to work so bad, more than any other half Asian that's ever eaten a ramen noodle. I wanted this to work so bad. I even had like real ramen, like not like 99 cents ramen, like some real ass ramen for lunch, you know, to get myself in the mood, you know, maybe for some good luck. And like, I have been playing with these resin covered noodles for the last hour and nothing has happened. So if you know what I'm doing wrong, let me know. I probably won't try this again if we're being honest, because that was just the biggest show in the entire world. I have like a little vacuum in my DIY room. I need to go get like the big boy vacuum for this disaster. I have a lot of broken plates. If anyone needs a broken plate, I even have some non-broken plates. Let me know. You guys wanted to see more DIY fails, so here you go. A super DIY fail. I don't even deserve to wear this House of DIY sweater. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini vlog, mini half failed DIY attempt. Mr. Noodle Man that fixed things with noodles, you are a sorcerer? I don't really know. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sun DIY. It's actually a collab with Karina, the slime queen. That I did not fail at. So there's that. So you have that to look forward to. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on Sunday for another Sun DIY. Okay, bye guys. Love you.
Royal elite, my pretty little kingdom out here running the